Welcome to this introductory video to know more about the Duolingo English Test, also known as DET. What is DET? The DET is one of the most widely accepted English language proficiency tests globally. It offers the convenience of taking the test online from the comfort of your own home, requiring just a computer and an internet connection. The test is designed to be completed in under an hour. There is no need to travel to a test center or make an appointment. And it is accessible as long as you have a webcam and a stable internet connection. The DET is unique in that some parts are computer adaptive, meaning the difficulty of the questions adjusts based on your performance. You can receive your results in just 2 days, and there is no additional cost to share your scores with an unlimited number of institutions. Why take DET? Well, the Duolingo English Test is a modern, convenient, and affordable way to prove your English language proficiency. It can be taken anywhere, as long as you have a computer with a camera and microphone. There is no need to travel to a test center, which saves time and money. The test can be completed in under 1 hour, making it one of the fastest English proficiency tests available. It is also very affordable compared to other English tests. The DET is trusted by thousands of universities in over 50 countries, making it a reliable option for those looking to study abroad. To take the Duolingo English Test, you will need a few things. Firstly, a computer with a functioning microphone, speakers, and a front-facing camera located at the top middle of your screen. You must have a valid, government-issued physical photo ID, like a passport or driver's license. Additionally, you should have a fully charged phone with a camera to record your computer during the test. A stable internet connection with at least 2 Mbps download speed and 1 Mbps upload speed is required. You will also need to download the Duolingo English Test desktop app. Ensure you are in a quiet, well-lit room and have about 1 hour of uninterrupted time to complete the test. The Duolingo English Test consists of a variety of question types that assess your English proficiency. You may pause the video and have a look at the question types. The Duolingo English Test has 2 types of scoring systems. Most questions, like read and complete, read and select, and fill in the blanks, are automatically graded. It's important to note that you won't be penalized more for entering an incorrect response compared to skipping a question. If your answer isn't entirely correct, you may receive partial credit. In the read and complete section, you get the same score for leaving a blank or providing an incorrect response. In the listen and type section, missing a word results in more points deducted than mistyping a word. So, it is always best to attempt each question. For open response or subjective questions like summarize the conversation, write about the photo, and speak about the photo, the responses are evaluated by Duolingo's grading system. This system is trained to understand your English proficiency, much like expert human raters. Several aspects are assessed, including content, discourse coherence, vocabulary, grammar, fluency, and pronunciation. You will receive an overall score on a scale from 10 to 160 in 5-point increments, aligned with the Common European Framework of Reference, or CEFR, which is an international standard of language proficiency. Your certified scores are valid for 2 years. In addition to the overall score, the Duolingo English Test provides 4 subscores in different areas, also on a scale of 10 to 160. These subscores assess your abilities in specific areas such as literacy, comprehension, conversation, and production. It's important to note that your overall score is not an average or a sum of the individual subscores. Instead, it's a weighted combination of your performance across various questions. The Duolingo English test is a computer adaptive test, which means the difficulty of the questions changes based on your performance as you progress through the test. If you answer a question incorrectly, the next one will be easier. Conversely, if you answer correctly, the next question will be more challenging. It's important to remember that once you click Next, you cannot return to a previous question. The test accepts both American and British spelling except in the Read and Complete section, which only uses US spellings. Each question is timed, and while experimental questions may appear during your test, they are unscored and do not affect your overall score.